Welcome everyone. Today I will give you some guidelines for the question answer. The first question of page number 26 is, how did the invisible man first become visible? वह दृश्य आदमी पहली बार कब visible हो गया? As we know, the person was a scientist who became invisible for taking revenge from his landlord. It was a time of midwinter, so it became unable for him to move without clothes, even without food, for a long period of time. So, at the time of closing of shops, he slipped into a big London store and dressed himself with overcoat, shoes, and a wide-brimmed hat. And the first time in this way he became visible. Second question is, why was he wandering the streets? For the answer you will write, Griffin was a lawless person. So when his landlord tried to evict him, in revenge he set fire to his house and made himself invisible. Thus he became a person without home, without clothes, without money, and so he started to wander in streets. On page number 28, the first question is, why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? वो चला जाता है विलेज आइपिंग में एक सराय में 2 रूम लेकर रहने. तो वो सराय किसके लैंडलॉर्ड कौन थे? मिस्टर हॉल एंड मिसेस हॉल. तो मिसेस हॉल क्यों साइंटिस्ट को एक सन की साइंटिस्ट का नाम देती हैं? फॉर द आंसर, द अराइवल ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट एट एन इन विथ अनकॉमन अपीयरेंस मेड द ऑल सरप्राइज्ड. Mrs. Hall tried her best to be friendly with him, but he was very rigid to his words that he came there to have solitude. On the other hand, he had paid her in advance for having such different appearance and behavior. She finds the scientist eccentric and gave him the name an eccentric scientist. Second question is, what curious episode occurs in the study? वो पादरी का जो स्टडी अध्ययन कक्ष था उसमें अजीबोगरीब कौन सी घटना घटी? For its answer, you will write, one day very early in the morning, clergyman and his wife were awakened after getting the noises of the chink of money in the study room. When they entered the room, they got the room empty, but the money of the desk had been missed. It made them very amazed, and they named this episode a very extraordinary, a very curious episode. Question number 3. What other extraordinary things happen at the inn? कौन सी उस धर्मशाला में सराय में कुछ दूसरी अलग तरह की जो बहुत ही भिन्न जो घटनाएं थीं, कौन सी भिन्न घटनाएं घटी? The other extraordinary things which had happened in the rooms of inn were some peculiar happenings in the room of the scientist. When Mrs. and Mr. Hall found the room of the scientist unlocked, they went into the room to investigate. There they did not find the existence of the scientist, the presence of the scientist, but heard a sniff close to her ear. Later, bedsheet was cold, but there was the presence of the cloths, bandages, hat, etc. used by the scientist on the bedpost. Situation became horrible when the hat and the chair became alive. The hat dashed itself on the face of Mrs. Hall and the chair sprang into the air and charged straight at her and finally made them out of the room, and the room had been locked at that time. There are two questions on page number 31 in Think About It. The first question is, Griffin was rather a lawless person. Comment. ग्रिफिन जो था उसको अगर मूल्यांकन किया जाए तो उसको ज़्यादा उसको कहा जाएगा कि वो स्वेच्छाचारी मनुष्य था. कैसे? तो चलिए अब इसके हम लोग देखेंगे. Yes, it is right to say that Griffin was rather a lawless person. Professionally, he was a brilliant scientist for discovering rare drugs to be invisible. But practically, he was a quite lawless person. It can be explained in the following manner. You will write the answer by giving the points. The first point, when his landlord tried to eject him, he set fire to his house. Second, to give himself warmth, illegally he entered the big store and dressed and fed himself without expending money. Third point, later he robbed a shopkeeper at Theoretical Company or at Drury Lane. Next point, he had theft the housekeeping money of the clergyman. Another point too, he had made the room of Mrs. and Mr. Hall very horrible and presented a strange environment there for making them hysteric or horrible. Question number 2. How would you assess Griffin as scientist? साइंटिस्ट के रूप में आप ग्रिफिन का मूल्यांकन कैसे करोगे? तो फॉर द आंसर, ग्रिफिन can be assessed as a brilliant scientist. It was his intelligence that he became able to discover such a rare drug to make a person invisible, which is quite impossible for a general scientist. But it can also be said about him that he had misused his discovery. If he would use it in positive manner, this would be a very big help in the field of science. But in the place of it, he had given a number of troubles illegally by making them disturbed and horrible by giving them a number of troubles and cheats. So students, by taking the help of my words, my guidelines, you will write the answers of all the questions given on different pages. Okay, and give a reading of this story to have the solution of arised short questions too. Thanks a lot for having the guidelines of the questions. Thanks.